What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wavy Mike, and we're back for another video. As you can see, this is another vlog style video where I'm holding the camera in my hand. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so you can become a wave man and turn on post notifications so you get notified anytime I post a new video. This video is very important. I'm gonna teach you how to have healthier hair that comes out softer, shinier, smoother, just altogether better. So stick around for this video. But before we get this video started, make sure you go press the like button and leave a comment down below telling me how many times a week do you wash your hair. While we're on that, tip number 1, don't shampoo your hair every day. You can wash or rinse your hair as many times as you want, but do not shampoo it every day. Shampoo strips your hair of the natural oils that give it that natural, healthy look. I personally wash my hair about 3 to 4 times every single week, but I don't use shampoo every time I do that. Out of those 3 to 4 times a week I wash or rinse my hair, I only use shampoo maybe once or twice per week. If I'm not only using water, then I'm using conditioner. You can use conditioner often, much more often than you do with shampoo. But yeah, don't use shampoo every single time. Trust me, just try it. Every time you wash your hair, just think about it. When's the last time I put shampoo on my hair? And maybe I should skip using shampoo this time. And trust me, your hair will feel and look much better and much healthier. Tip number 2, use oils. Putting oils in your hair is very important. Oils help moisturize and hydrate your dry hair. It also helps with split ends and breakage and just damaged hair. Tip number 3, trim your hair regularly. I hope that made sense to all of you. Like, some people are probably like, what's the regular way to trim your hair? Or am I not doing it the regular way? No, when I say regularly, I mean like the amount of time that is in between each trim. Don't go so long without trimming your hair. You don't need to go 2-3 months without even touching your hair with a pair of clippers. Go ahead and trim your hair ever so often. This cuts off the damaged parts of your hair from the ends, and you don't really need to cut that much off, but just cut some off. It's a lot harder to do for people like me who have shorter hair. Actually, I just trimmed. Well, I did a full haircut, but when my hair is longer, I usually go ahead and just do a light little trim, a freehand trim or something like that. This is very important, and I think you should do it because you want to get those damaged ends off, and it can actually help your hair grow faster. Tip number 4, do not be too hard on your hair. When you get out the shower or when you finish washing your hair, just pat your hair dry or let it air dry. You don't need to be rough with your towel, running it through your head extra hard or anything like that. Also, go easy on using hard brushes. Sometimes you can just use a soft brush. Sometimes you can just use a medium brush. You don't need to use a hard brush every single time. I know that you want to, but trust me, your hair is going to thank you later. Don't always use the hard brush. Go for something else sometimes. Just give it a break. And that ties into tip number 5, let your hair breathe. Sometimes your hair just needs a break. Try letting your hair just rest for a day or 2. Try letting it sit without any products, without a hat, without a do-rag. Just let it be free to do what it needs to do. Everything needs a break. Your hair is just like everything else. When you go to the gym and you're working out, you know how you have a rest day because your muscles need a break. You know how you're always around your friends and sometimes you just don't want to be around them because you just need a break. You go to a party with loud music and your ears are ringing, and now you need to just be silent because you have a headache. Your ears need a break. So just like everything else, your hair needs a break. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't have much to talk about in this video. My arm is honestly getting tired from holding up this camera. But that's the end of the video. I'm Wavy Mike. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, press the thumbs up button. If you didn't enjoy it, I don't know what to tell you other than you can still press the thumbs up button. I mean, why not? Pressing the thumbs down button just makes you a hater, and it really doesn't help you in the long run because it still counts as activity on my channel, so you're still boosting me a little bit. So, I mean, but yeah, press the like button. Go comment down below how many times a week do you wash your hair, and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I'm Wavy Man Mike. Enjoy your day.